talk about simplifying rational expressions, let's remember how we simplify a fraction when the numerator and denominator are both just numbers. Let's suppose we want to simplify the fraction 108/270ths. Now there are several haphazard ways we could go about this, with numbers, hunting around for common factors, but there's a systematic method also that we're going to imitate when we're working with polynomials. What's the systematic method? Well, first we'll take the prime factorization of the numerator and denominator. So let's see, 108 is 12 times 9. 12 is 4 times 3, and 4 is 2 times 2. 9 is 3 times 3, and now all of my factors are primes. 270 is 27 times 10. 27 is 9 times 3. 9 is 3 times 3. And 10 is 2 times 5. And now, again, all of my factors are prime. So once I have the prime factorization, what do? I rewrite my fraction with the numerator and denominator factored, and now I can cancel pairs of common factors. Let's see. Here's a pair of 2's, a pair of 3's, another pair of 3's, and yet another pair of 3's. So I'm left with just 2/5, which is quite a bit of simplification. I'm going to have you try one of these, and I'm going to ask you to use this method specifically, using the prime factorization of the numerator and denominator. I'm aware that there are other methods to get this answer when we're working with numbers, but this is the method that we're going to use with polynomials. Simplify the fraction 175/450ths. Pause the video and try this now. So I'm going to factor my numerator into primes. I can see that 175 is a multiple of 5. And I'm going to ask my calculator for the other factor. 35. 35 is 5 times 7. 5 and 7 are both prime. 450 is 45 times 10, of course. 45 is 9 times 5. 9 is 3 times 3. 10 is 2 times 5. So rewriting my fraction with the numerator and denominator in factored form, 175/450ths will be 5 times 5 times 7 over 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. Now I'm going to cancel any common factors. I see 1 5 in common, 2 5's in common. What's left? 7 over 2 times 3 times 3. Doing this arithmetic in the denominator, 7/18.